Hi guys, in this video I will talk about what Git is and how to use it. We are going to start with a couple slides and then we will look at some of the most important comments for you to know. I will show you how to implement many of them, but I left the cheat sheet in the description section. If you want, you can find it in there. Before start, I want to talk briefly about the history of Git. In 2002, the Linux kernel project began using distribution version control system called Bitkeeper. In 2005, the commercial company that developed Bitkeeper broke down and the tool's free of charge status was revoked. This prompted the Linux development community and Linus Torvalds to develop their own tool, Git. In addition, Linus Torvalds is a creator of Linux. I think it's enough for history. Let's talk about what Git is. Git is a software that runs locally. Your files and their history are stored on your computer. You can also use online hosts to store a copy of the files and their revision history. You can see who made what change and when. The 3 steps of Git: introduce a change, add the actual change to staging area, commit. Git repository is a folder with a Git extension inside a project. This repository tracks all changes made to files in your project, building a history over time. If you delete folder with Git extension, that you delete your project's history. Branching. The concept behind branching is that each snapshot can have more than one child. Branches are used in an implementation project to separate out the development of a specific feature or for the maintenance of an older version. Let's look at the basic commands. To start working with Git, you just need to run git init command. It turns the current directory into the Git working directory and creates the repository directory with Git extension. It creates that. You can then start working Git. Git add files to index. Git status helps you keep track of which changes have been added or not, on what branch you are on. Run your git commit and you will take everything that's in the index of staging area and put it into the local repository. Git push will take a local repository that you have created and then push it to a remote repository such as GitHub or another remote service. So it will ask your password and so on. If you don't want to write your password, you can also create SSH keys with GitHub so that you don't have to add passwords or anything else. Git pull. If you want to pull changes from remote repository, you can use git pull, and you can use git clone if you want to clone repository into a new directory. So, slide part is now waiting. Let's do practice. I left the installation links in the explanation part. Please install and continue. I think you already installed it. Let's check. Open Windows Command Prompt. And write git version. Okay, there's no problem. Let's create a file. Just name my app. And click the Git bash here. Let's create some files in our folder. Index.html, touch my app.js. Let's do something in our index file. Let's write something and say write git init for initialize, and let's check. As you can see, all of our files in this folder. So we can start to use Git commits now, but there is one thing we need to do: introduce ourselves to Git. So to do that, use the config command. Let's do it. Write git config global user name and just put your name. And do same thing for email. Config global user email. Put your email. Use git add command for adding something. Git okay, let's check. Write git status. As you can see, index file in staging area, but my app is not. Let's remove HTML file and add all of them. For removing, write git rm and again check. Write git status. So that's a lot of git add and again check status. As you can see, all of them in staging area. Now we are gonna go to commit. Write git commit. It's gonna go and open up Vim editor. Click I to go into insert mode. Let's write something. Commit. Colon WQ for exit. When we write a git status, it tells us we are on the master branch. Now to create a branch, we can say git branch and just call something. Git branch something. So write git checkout something for switching to something branch. Now we are in the something branch now. Git status. If we want to merge two branches, write git merge master. Okay, let's switch master again. Okay, clear everything. And let's push remote repository. Let's go GitHub and create new repository. Repository name my app. Description sample. I want to choose private. Let's create repository. Open bash and write git remote. Okay. copy that. Paste here. Now again drag through it and copy that. Paste in here. And pushing. Let's reload. We can see our file in here. And finally, I want to show you how to clone files from GitHub. Let's create another folder here. Just coded my app2. Click Git Bash here. Git clone. Clone and paste copied GitHub link. Okay, let's check. As you can see, all of our files are in there. This video was a video with very basic Git information. That is all I say. Thanks for watching.